This is from the play Incident at Our Incident at Our Lady of Professional Help
Okay.
by Kate Forget, I think is how she pronounces it.
Okay. Well, can you say the title one more time?
Incident at Our Lady of Professional Help.
Great, thank you. Professional.
Jesus Christ, have mercy on my soul. Did you skip the chapter in Our Bodies, Ourselves on Contraception? The waiting for marriage is not some pie in the sky notion of goodness, it's about not getting pregnant. And don't talk to me about the church being against contraception. The church is run by a bunch of men who, for 2,000 years, have not changed a single diaper. I mean, is this what you want? If you end up with the fertility of Grandma O'Shea, you and what's-his-name are going to have 8 children by the time you're 30. No more writing articles for the New Yorker. No more chic soirees with your literary friends that go on till 2 in the morning. I mean, maybe for him, but not for you. And you want to know why? Because you are going to be so busy feeding and burping and changing and bathing and dressing. You're going to be, from your head to your toe, covered in baby poop and baby urine and baby spit up. You're going to have varicose veins so large they catch on furniture. and you're going to learn to fall asleep standing up. And you're going to leak every time you sneeze. You know, you're great to dream about writing the American novel, the great American novel. You might as well throw that in the basement right next to my unwritten piano concertos. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph, you know. That 2-ton car lift that crashed down on your father didn't kill him. But you know what, well, this.
Excellent, very nice, excellent, excellent. All right, so who is she? She's talking to her daughter. What's happened?
She just told me she's pregnant, she's 19, she's not married, and this takes place in 1973. And it's unclear if this takes place in New York or not. Most places did not have legal abortion, I think, right at this point.
Right.
But New York may have, because I know we got it a little early. We are a devout Catholic family, except I don't think I really am. And she's wasting her life the way a lot of the time I feel like I have wasted.
Oh, great. Okay, good. So it's personal. Okay, yeah. All right, good, excellent. So this is like very high stakes, right?
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I'm asking her to get an abortion or not.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think I am, even though I could never admit that.
But you don't want her to be pregnant, right?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we need to go further in that direction and see what that does.
Go further in
the you need to get an abortion direction. Well,
without-
I mean, I feel like there's like sort of like, I feel like there's maybe like a couple choices for this monologue. One is you need to get an abortion. The other one is like, I'm just freaking out.
Right.
And I think the want of her, of having some solution, I think would help ground this. Not that it's already grounded, but I'm curious to know what that might be. Right? Because you've got to convince your daughter, who's also devout Catholic,
Yeah.
to get an abortion. And I would sort of say, you know, don't put this in New York, put this somewhere where it's illegal.
Right,
You know?
right.
And so it's almost it's a bit of an impossible situation here. But I think maybe through the high stakes of it, you can, I hope, kind of get her to make that decision with you.
What's interesting is, I don't think this play is printed. They're doing it at Iverton.
Uh-huh.
And all I could find when I auditioned was different sides.
Right, right,
So I don't know the whole plot. I don't know how
Right.
it is.
right.
And, which is very perplexing, given this scene.
Yeah. Well, that's all right. I think, you know, you've got to make a decision as to sort of like what you think is going on in this moment.
Right.
And not worry about that.
Right.
So yeah, I'd love to see what happens if you amp up the stakes a bit. I mean, this is a tragedy. This is an awful tragedy.
I think it's, what I'm thinking is that I don't know, when she says she's pregnant, I think I am floored and thrilled.
Yeah.
I think in the course of what I'm saying to her, I realize what I want her to do. Not at the beginning. I don't go,
What
oh,
is
well,
she-
you have to get an abortion.
What does she want at the very beginning then?
I don't think I know.
Well, I think you've got to figure it out.
I can't be just like floored. That what's that?
You can be floored, but you still have to need something from her. Is it being floored and like, tell me it's true? Tell me it's not true? You know, like, I can't believe this, so can you make me believe it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm curious to know what that might be. I mean, I think that's an interesting idea that she decides, you know, throughout the course of the monologue, but I still want to know what you want at the very
At the
beginning.
very beginning. I want her to say, I'm kidding.
That's good.
And I cut a little section of this that I think I might put back in.
Okay.
I mean, like 4 lines.
Yeah.
I don't think it's too long. And I did bollocks up some of the lines, so that,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who cares? Who cares about
So,
that?
bring it in next week.
Bring it in next week, and yeah, I wanted to figure out what you want from her.
What my immediate
What your
reaction
immediate.
is to what
Well,
you
yeah, and sort of like, again, you know, I keep on saying the same thing, but that's just because I'm obsessed with monologues. You know, like again, it's a scene. It's an imaginary
Oh, yeah.
scene, and I'm really curious to know how she's reacting and how that fuels the next thing.
Okay.
Because she's not just going to say the whole thing. There's something she's not doing or doing that is making you continue.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Good work. And this is a very good monologue for you.